Hi all, and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to continue with our unboxing and setting up, and in today's video we'll be doing the 16-part PoE switch. So let's get into it. So like the previous video, the Unifi boxes have the tear off. Easy opening box. So first, before we open it, we'll have a look at the box on the back. Look at some of the detail. There's 16 gigabit RJ45 ports. 8 of them are PoE plus. There's 2 1 gig FSP ports, and the internal power supply is 60 watts. So we'll get into it. We'll see what's in the box. Just bring you up. So again, like the Dream Machine, we have the easy how-to guide on the top. And the first thing we come to again is our box of things. We've got 2 mounting arm brackets again, some rack nuts, the American cable again, and a little quick book as well. So we'll get the switch out of the box. Very well packaged again. So we'll have a look fully across it now we've got it out of the box. So again, we have our little screen moving across. So ports 1 to 8 are PoE plus, and 9 to 16 are just normal Ethernet ports. And then we have the 2 SFP ports, which we'll use to connect it to the UDM router. On the back, there's no power redundant on this one, just the usual kettle plug to power it up. So now we've got all this unboxed, we'll get this added to our system, and I'll see you over there. So we've now got the 16-port switch on top of the UDM Dream Machine, and we're going to use so we'll put one end in port 11, so it clips in, and then the other end into port 17 on the switch. Until it clicks, and then we'll turn the power on for both of them. So now that we've got them set up, we've gone into our UDM. As you can see, the 16 PoE switch is pending. We just need to adopt this in, and once it's adopted in, it'll check for updates as well. Quite straightforward just to adopt them in. You just click on the screen, it'll open up on a tab on the right hand side, just click adopt, and now we're waiting for it to go green. As you can see, it's just gone green, which means that it's fully online and working. You can set the IP address if you wish as well, by clicking on the menu to the side and then the networks. You can put a static IP address. And I'll just set it as, and that's it really for the switch. We've adopted it in, and we'll do the same with the access points in the next video. Stay tuned.